The VEVOR 12,000 lbs electric winch is an exceptional tool designed for off-road recovery, offering the ability to pull up to 12,000 pounds, making it a reliable backup for any vehicle. Powered by a robust 12-volt DC motor with 5.5 horsepower, this winch ensures consistent and powerful performance, even in challenging conditions like harsh weather or deep mud. Its six-strand heavy-duty steel cable is built to withstand extreme elements and temperatures, providing rugged performance and durability during demanding tasks. The winch features both wireless and wired remote control options, allowing for hassle-free operation and flexibility in vehicle recovery within a range of 65.61 feet. With an IP55 waterproof rating and a sleek black matte finish, the winch is designed to resist rust and tackle harsh environments like heavy rain and mud without compromising performance. Color-coded power cables and straightforward instructions facilitate easy installation, ensuring that you can quickly get back to enjoying your adventures with peace of mind.